It's okay. He's okay. He just doesn't know what it is. Let the blue one go first. Good boy. It's okay. Oh, Spartan got the blue one. I don't think Spartan likes them as much as you do, huh, Bubba? Yeah. Is he scared? Yeah. Say it's okay, Spartan. Cody?